Good afternoon, Westfield, and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. It's been absolutely lovely to have you all back in school this week, and although the sun is shining and it's been a little bit hot, we've all managed to get on with our learning and be the very, very best that we can be. So let's start with our promise. After 3, 1, 2, 3. We promise, we before me, encouraging to everyone, safe and respectful to all, the best that we can be, full of courage, inspired and inspiring to others, excellent in all we do, learning together, determined to succeed. And that determination has been seen in many of our children this week. So let's go straight to Duckling class and find out who is Pupil of the Week in both Duckling, Wren and Puffin classes.
Hello Ducklings, this week our Pupil of the Week is Daisy Roberts. Daisy, you've come back from the half-term holidays and made an excellent start back at school. I can see that you're trying hard to share and take turns and use your manners in class, and it is beautiful. Well done Daisy, we're all so proud of you.
This week in Wrens, we have chosen somebody that has been learning together and doing we before me, and that is Lizzie. Lizzie, this week your care in nature and your support for your peers has definitely shone through. On the carpet, you are helping your peers when they don't know the answer, because you do know the answer, and that is great to see. So Lizzie, you are Pupil of our Week because you are being a great learner and a great friend. Well done.
So we have chosen Arthur this week. This is because of his super reading and the progress that he is making. The reason why he's doing so well is he's really putting in 100% effort at school, which is so lovely to see. The other thing that makes us really proud is that reading used to be a bit of a chore for Arthur, but now he is asking to read to the teachers in the classroom, and it's lovely to see him ask if he can get his reading book out, and he'll take himself off into the corridor and just read to himself. And that shows us that he's really developing a love of reading. So well done, Arthur. Keep it up.
Well done. And moving on and up into year 1, let's find out who Mrs. Reed Graves and Miss Cullop have chosen.
Wagtail's Pupil of the Week this week is Eslam. Well done, Eslam. Miss Reed Graves has chosen you this week because she has noticed a real change in your attitude to learning. You've been much more positive, willing to give things a go, and much more independent. So well done, Eslam. Keep it up.
Well, this person from Magpie class this week has shown herself to be we before me, excellent in all she does, learning together, which she's absolutely brilliant at, determined to succeed, and inspiring others. Miss Broomfield and I both came up with the same name separately, and it's an excellent choice for us this week. So Magpie Pupil of the Week this week is Katerina. Well done, Katerina. You have been absolutely amazing. It's lovely to see your interaction with the rest of the class, and you always make the right choices, and you set a super example to everybody else. So well done. We are very, very proud of you.
And in year 2 this week, let's find out about Robin class, and let's find out about Heron class.
My Pupil of the Week this week goes to Otis. Otis, you have absolutely blown me away with your attitude towards your learning. You've been so up for a challenge. You are absolutely inspiring to others. Your handwriting is absolutely beautiful, and you are so trying hard with your presentation to make sure that it's as neat as it can possibly be. And it's just fantastic to see. So well done, Otis.
Tommy is Heron's Pupil of the Week this week. I've been so impressed by Tommy in terms of the fact that when he's on the carpet, he gives brilliant answers and always shows us ready to share with everyone else. He also makes a fantastic buddy for his classmates and the people on his table as well, always giving brilliant support and really helping each other to help them both get the best out of their work. So Tommy, I'm really, really proud of you. Well done.
And in year 3, I wonder which Sparrow and which Skylark.
The Sparrow class Pupil of the Week this week is somebody who has shown that they really want to embed all the different parts of the Westfield promise. They are proving each day that they are trying so much harder to progress and to have a fantastic attitude in class, and it's really been starting to shine through. So really well done, Stillian. We've noticed just how hard you've been working this week and we've been super impressed with you. So a huge well done. You should be so proud of yourself and I really hope that you keep it up.
Hi everybody, it's me Mr Gooch here, and my pupil of the week this week in Skylark class is Grace, and I've chosen Grace because she has shown a fantastic attitude towards her learning this week, really trying her best, giving her all to every task that she's been set, and really showing that determination to succeed. So well done, Grace. Keep it up, it's fantastic to see.
And in Year 4 this week, let's find out about our Mockingbird and Raven class.
Hey Mockingbirds. The person I've chosen this week, I've seen absolutely blossom over the week. They've shown kindness, they've been considerate to other pupils, and it's just been lovely to see. They've been encouraging people around them, and that is Derry. Well done, Derry.
Hello everyone, good afternoon, thank you very much. My pupil of the week this week for Raven class is Naomi Rental. What can I say about Naomi? It's not just that she is an absolutely fabulous learner, perfect behaviour in class, really helpful, really kind, really supportive to everyone around her, the embodiment of the promise. It's not just all of those things. It's that she took it upon herself one lunchtime this week to ask Mrs. Connolly if she could pick up some litter around the field. And then she roped in a bunch of other girls and they all went around the field and filled a bin bag of rubbish from down the back of the field off of their own backs for no other reason than to clear up litter and be kind to the environment and just be outstanding, magical, absolutely fabulous pupils. I could not be prouder of Naomi and all of those girls. Really fantastic effort, girls. Amazing. Well done, Naomi. You thoroughly deserve Pupil of the Week this week.
Really well done. And in Year 5, Kestrel and Kingfisher.
Hi there, this week Kestrel's Person of the Week is Charlie Connolly. Now I hope he doesn't mind me saying, but Charlie sometimes finds it really tricky to get started with his writing. There's nothing more intimidating than a blank page, I know the feeling. But this week he has worked so hard with his writing and I'm really impressed with how he's just got his head down and got on with it, being determined to succeed, not letting a blank page faze him. So well done, Charlie.
Hello, my pupil of the week in Kingfisher class this week is Milo. Now Milo, all week since we've come back from half term, you've been trying your absolute hardest in all of your learning, especially your history lessons this week, where you genuinely have blown me away with the quality and quantity of work you've produced. So Milo, it's been absolutely brilliant to see. Well done, please keep it up next week.
And in Year 6, our Starlings and Eagles.
From Starling class, our pupil of the week this week is someone who has just worked their socks off for the whole week, and someone who is really impressing the staff in the room with their attitude, coming in beautifully every morning with a real focus for learning, and definitely trying in every way to improve their outcomes. They're also being very kind within the room and thinking about other people's feelings and really listening and just, like we say, impressing us all with their attitude this week. Congratulations, Lorenzo, you are our pupil of the week.
Good afternoon, my pupil of the week this week is Anna. I could give this pupil of the week any week of this year. You've absolutely shone this year. You've tried your absolute hardest with every single thing that you've done and you've never ever given up. That shows your resilience and you're also super kind to every single person around you, Anna. Well done, honey. Keep going.
Really well done to all of our pupils of the week. Well done for coming back after half term, being the best that you can be, adhering to our Westfield promise and showing such promise in your learning. We're really proud of you. Mr. Claridge, any information on our TTRS this week?
Hey Rockstars! How's it going? Yet another super intense battle. Epic between Sparrow and Heron class over the past 2 weeks. They had half term as well. And I must say they've taken full advantage of it. In the end, the victors. Heron class. Fabulous effort, especially from Mr. Ethan Ashwood, who does not miss an opportunity to absolutely smash TT Rockstars whenever he can. 20,000 points all by himself. Extraordinary effort. Amazing, Ethan. Amazing. I think that's the highest single one person result that we've had all year. I'd have to go back and check, but I'm pretty sure that's close. Who is it going to be this week? Okay, let's spin the super high-tech wheel of names to see who is it going to be this week. Ooh, could it be? Ooh. It is! It's Raven! Yes! Amazing. And we are going to be against... Ooh, here we go. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's my old class. Kingfisher. My new class versus my old class. Well, they're not so new anymore. Amazing. Oh, fantastic. My old class against the new Ravens. I cannot wait to see how great this battle is going to be. Let's get on to it. The battle starts right now, people. Get on TD Rockstars as much as you can. See you later, and rock on!
Well, we come to that point where we're going to identify a staff member of the week. And we need to find somebody who, like our children, has shone this week, who's given their best and persevered and worked really hard. And that's quite hard because we have a very, very committed team. But the person that I'm going to choose this week is somebody who I see with a smile on their face every week, who really wants to be here for the children, who always wants to learn and do her best and get better at what she does, who's kind and caring, and that's Mrs. Jacobs. So well done. It's your turn to be staff member of the week. Thank you for everything that you give to Westfield. Have a really wonderful weekend. Please make sure you look after yourself in the sun. We don't want too many burnt faces when we come back on Monday morning. Take care, enjoy being outside and keep safe, and we'll see you all next week. Bye-bye, Westfield.